we're going to do a little update here. It's Monday, April 8th. A little update on the greenhouse and kind of what's going on around here. We dug up all the strawberries over here. Sydney's going to use that for flower garden this year. And we're going to move the strawberries around the other side of that fence. There's a little planter area over there. So we're going to move them over there. We've given a lot away. We've got a lot. So I planted some onion starts here, Walla Walla onion starts. I had some overwintered lettuce here we're working on eating. And then garlic, that's doing pretty good. And then this bed, I had a big parsley plant in there. I took that out. Actually, I harvested a bunch, dehydrated it, and we got it in jars now. So, and then over here, so this bed basically ready. So that's gonna get some stuff put in here real soon. Let's go in the greenhouse. It's a rainy, cold day today here at the Pacific Northwest. So right now in the greenhouse, what do we got here? 56 degrees. Yeah. So we got some stuff here, parsley, some strawberries in here, different variety got going, and then some thyme. It's lemon thyme, and then cucumbers here. They're doing pretty good. Got some cabbage. Some of this stuff should go in the ground. As soon as it warms up just a little bit, so they're starting to get outgrow the pots here. So I don't want to up pot those anymore. I'd like to get them in the ground. And then the cabbage that can go in the ground now. So I'll probably work on that today. I got some Roma tomatoes, some more parsley. Actually, this is a cilantro here. Yeah, cilantro. I got some parsley over here going. So this is cilantro, some basil. I got a little problem going with some of the basil here, so don't know what that is yet. If you have a clue, leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. And then some tomatoes. These are Red Robin, and this year I'm just trying to stick with determinate tomatoes. I don't like growing the indeterminate here in the greenhouse because I don't have a lot of room. And then over here I got potatoes. These are blue potatoes. They're coming up. Last time I think there wasn't anything coming up. Now they're coming up. And then these are Yukon Golds here. I think I've got one Yukon Gold breaking ground back here. These are still doing okay. So I think I'm gonna move these guys outside here next day or two to make room in here. So that's pretty much it in the greenhouse. And then not a lot going on down there. I did plant a whole bunch more onion down here. The Walla Wallas had a bunch left over, so we're gonna see what we can do with that this year. Anyways, that's it for an update. See you on the next one.